Hey everybody, Bill here, Restored Hot Rods. Well, I'm working on the brake lines. I got the back hose connected, working on the front ones. Now I've ordered them twice, and of course time goes by and you forget to lose a tag and stuff. You shouldn't order this stuff from Rock Auto. I'm not sure what, because it's a 1-ton axle and it's a half-ton frame, and trying to get the right combinations of fittings from the caliper to the frame is, yeah. So I got a whole assortment of brake lines here that are all wrong. I'm tired of buying them, so I'm going to customize one and make it fit. I already did one side, it worked out fine. I'll show you what I'm going to do to this side. Now the brake line, there's the banjo bolt. Now the brake line is supposed to fit in between that slot right here. Well, I ordered the wrong ones again. So it won't fit through that slot. See there? So I'm going to customize it. Yeah, that's probably the wrong thing to do, but that's what I'm going to do. All I got to do is take these little corners off of here to make it fit in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll do it to round that off so it'll fit in there. Let's see. There now. See in there? Just ground a little bit off there to make it clear. That's clearing good. That'll work. A little unorthodox maybe, but what the heck. All right, now that I got all the brake lines in, just got to bleed them out. I'll do that a different time. But brakes should be done. Now, I want to work on mounting these seats. Gonna have to put some kind of support in there, some kind of legs. So I'll figure that out. Yeah, let's see. Okay, I try to utilize the same original mounts that are on the seat. So this side here, I got a couple pieces of angle welded up. That it's got a locating pin on the one runner, and the other two just bolt in this way. Which once I get it relocated, make sure that's right, then I'll drill these, and I can bolt it down. Back in the back, it's just going to be a simple 1.5" something. I'll find something, piece of box or something. That's going to go right like that. This piece of angle here is going to rest on top of that. This angle running across, it helps stiffen the floor up. I took this out, and this I'm going to bolt in. Bolt in square. Should work fine. I'm thinking. From underneath, I'll put either a big fender washer, something. Might even put another piece of angle underneath it. Actually, it only needs some plate just to hold it still so it can't rip through the floor. Always use the correct tools. Put some of the structure back in the floor from cutting the seat pan out. All right. Let's throw the seat back in here and see how it works. Knock the camera over while I'm doing it. Why not? Ow! There, that's where I think I want it to go. Now this seat's all the way down and all the way back. So it'll adjust up, which I probably want it to go up a little bit. Maybe not. No, probably not. Probably a pretty good height. Where it's at. Yeah, I think I like it. I think it's about right. I don't think I'll finish bolting it down until I get the door on, but I think it's going to be fine. Yeah, I think I like it. All right, let's do the other side. Get it done. There you go. All right, let's see how this seat fits. Oop, missed everything. Okay, I never started this. I never put the power to this seat to maneuver it. There it goes. Okay, let's see, how far are we from that? Door's gonna go right to the, oh, it should be fine. We get roughly 3 inches right there. How much we got in the other one? About the same. Roughly 3 inches. Looks like it's gonna work out just fine. Yeah, I like it. I think it's gonna work out just fine. Okay, so I'll cut the other piece of metal. Okay, here's my seat bracket made up. This one bolts down to the floor. The seat has a locating pin on one of the mounts right there. That's what that's for. So I put her in again. That's on the pin. I gotta get my booster. Yeah, it needs to go back more. I think that's just gonna be just tight. I think the door's gonna be right there. I think it's gonna be good. Well, got the seats in. Now I can, let's see, what can I do now? Now I can take the seats back out, paint the floor. No, I can take the seats back out, weld everything up, finish these rear mounts. That's just some 1.5 inch blocks, some sort. I'm good to go. Well, I want to thank everybody for watching this. A few more bolts and it's done. I really appreciate it. I'm over 500 viewers now. I'm trying to get to 1,000. So subscribe. Tell all your friends. Take care.